Testing out the ProRes 4K 30 video. I am just gonna set up here real quick and do a little thumbnail photo shoot type of thing. I only have 24 minutes to record in this format, and let's see how this lighting looks this early. Using my Canon 90D, we're gonna use this background, use this little table area for it, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm gonna have to switch to this camera here to place my phone right here, the one I'm recording on. But I think so far it looks pretty good. It's a little noisy, I think. You know, if I zoom in here, yeah, you see a little bit of noise coming out from there. I'm not touching anything or adjusting the lighting. Natural light is coming from that window over there. And so I'm going to switch over to this one here, and we will set up this little thumbnail photo shoot, and then the audio is also coming from the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's see how that sounds. I'm not going to change or edit anything with that audio. I just want to see and hear how everything looks on this phone. So we'll switch over to this. Actually, let me turn this on. Let's see here. Whoops, way too close. What do we got? Oh, I have 46 minutes on that. 4K 30. Perfect. Okay. We'll switch over now. Okay, so we're gonna do a little photo shoot here. There we go. Brighten that up. Bring some light in. Do that as well. Let's bring this down to auto brightness, so it's not bad. Does the job. Okay, so I think I should switch to the wide angle lens, but for this purpose, I'm gonna, oh, that's why. There we go. I was in manual focus. So we are gonna prop this iPhone here on the wall. Hopefully it doesn't fall or anything. I don't know how to. Okay, so maybe I've seen a lot of videos where people just put this phone up and it just stays up, but I don't have a stand or I don't have anything to hold this. I'm just gonna gently put it against the wall. Oh, no, it slips. It does slip. How am I gonna do this? Because I do want it to sit like right there, but I know it's gonna slip. Yeah, no, and then that's not gonna work. Plus, this is very wobbly, this table. And let's see, what am I gonna do? I might just, oh man, this is tricky. This is a little tricky. Thought it'd be easier than this. Oh, I guess I could use that, but I mean, that kind of works. I didn't want to use the, I mean, this kind of works too. Yeah, this is what, yeah, I could use the box like this. Yeah, there we go. That works. It still shows off the box, shows off the phone. Might just get it there. Yeah, that works. It's not bad. Okay, I have to stop recording for a second to take the photo. Alexa, turn on light. Thank you. Whoa, that's bright. It's a lot of orange. A lot of, no, it's too bright. It's too sunny. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording because the camera that I'm recording on is the one I'm gonna use to take the photo. I'm gonna take it before the phone falls. So, luckily I have Apple Care, so that will cover that. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, so I Took a couple photos. I'll show you here on the screen somewhere. And it turned out pretty great. You know, it's not bad. I used this little, I don't know what you call this, little bookshelf kind of thing for it. It turned out pretty well. I just noticed that's why this was getting in the way, because this was not in the middle. Slightly more this way. I just noticed that. But you know, the shot turned out great. Yeah, pretty quick video. I just wanted to show you how I created this thumbnail for my previous video. I don't like it so much. Just wanted to show off the phone instead, which nice blue titanium. So yeah, real quick, I just wanted to show that off. Yeah, I just woke up, so I just wanted to I wanted to show how I created the thumbnail for the video. Yeah, it's pretty early still, it's 7:01, 7:02. But yeah, that's it. It's a quick, short video. Hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. So I was transferring the video footage that I just took in 4K 30 ProRes, and I found out, look at that, 10 gigabytes of storage on my iPhone. That was only like a minute and 30 seconds. It was 10 gigabytes. That's insane. It's not even loading the thumbnail when it's like on the computer. That's crazy. That's nuts. So I had to delete it off my phone because 10 gigabytes of storage, that's insane.